Now, Andrew Holness will be sworn in for a third time as Prime Minister on Monday, September 7 at 3 p.m. Your election station, TVJ, will have live coverage of the ceremony. As you know, Mr. Holness and the JLP secured a landslide victory over the PNP following Thursday's general election. And the JLP is still celebrating its convincing election win in St. Thomas, which now has only JLP members of Parliament. There were figurative burials of the defeated PNP candidates. Krista Campbell has the roundup.
Celebration was in high gear as JLP incumbent James Robertson retained his fifth hold on the Western St. Thomas constituency, beating the PNP challenger Marsha Francis by 2,760 votes. And for his second consecutive win over Miss Francis, a figurative burial with JLP supporters as pallbearers. But no mourners here. In fact, from sunset, Yalas Square was transformed into a party ground. No strict adherence to physical distancing and other COVID-19 protocols. Now, sections of the constituency were recently placed under quarantine because of increasing cases of the virus. Police tried but seemed to have lost the battle with crowd control. And by nightfall, the sea of green became a flood. James Robertson arrived to a hero's welcome. We did not get his reaction, but his supporters were beaming with joy.
Feeling overwhelmed that, boy, anyhow, the PNP then they win. I don't know how it man.
When the rain is falling, I said, Marsha lose, Marsha gone. Because every time you see rain fall, PNP lose.
I told Marsha not to run because James is going to knock him out. And she got a technical knockout.
PNP said they're going to sweep you out, but we cobweb them. We cobweb them and take 49 seats. History in Jamaica.
A similar burial in the eastern part of the parish where Dr. Michelle Charles unseated PNP incumbent Dr. Fenton Ferguson, who, interestingly, has held the seat since he defeated Pernell Charles Sr. in the 1993 general election. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.